No, what you need to do is petition them to change all of my mounts in my mount storage to spiders. So I have no choice but to ride one.
Did you really just say mount storage?
Shut up. I never said I was brilliant.
It's like a garage.
There's like 6 entrances.
I'll be nice. I just couldn't help it. I just have this vision of all the mounts parked in this little storage area, you know.
The Mount Garage.
The Mount Ballet.
I'm just gonna sigh.
You should have little pennies on the back of your animal.
Just think, Bob, 2 to 3 more days, you'll have your new system built. 5 days, 1 hour, and 44 minutes, and it's Duke time.
Fuck yeah. I can't wait to blow some shit up.
Oh god damn it, there's an event going on. I wonder if we're the ones that trigger this shit every
Really?
Wednesday.
I figured
Probably.
you'd be, I figured you'd, you know, be most excited about the buoys.
Well, I wasn't gonna say anything because of all the women in the channel, but yes, blow shit up and go to the strip club and get some tatas shaking at us.
Rubber dolls are. You can blow those up.
to the north.
Did you just say Tata?
You say Tata.
Yes, I said
Not
tatas.
Tata, get it right. It's boobs.
Yeah, some people say
Breastises.
Gay guys say Tatas.
There is a
Fun
campaign
bags.
to save the Tatas. Okay, so.
Yeah, I support
Man
that.
pillows.
Alright, Runecrafter, once
Pillows?
everyone is here.
Those aren't pillows.
Saving Let's do is here.
Where'd you go, Orphe?
I'm right here.
Does everyone notice that I am not the last one to the party today?
Can we kill a Defiant? Can we? Ha ha ha. Can we?
Where's the Defiant?
Later, is everyone here?
Yep, everyone's
To
here.
the east of us.
Alright, Runecrafting lure.
Let me know if you need more. I can give you more.
I did not see a Defiant. It did not die by our hands. It died by a mob. I swear.
Until it looks
I
at the
did send
combat
my
log.
NPC pet after it.
You said it died by a mob? That'd be about right.
Now that's funny. Boy, I'm just a water jet maniac in this shit.
Vex.
Oh, that's pretty much, yeah, it's like that in Warfront.
God, you guys kill shit too fast.
Oh, Measy got a plat.
Okay.
Yeah, of course I get all